Hello guys, how are you today? I am Zubair from Zubi Tech World, bringing you another exciting video. Well, after lots of orders, one of the orders just came to my doorstep. Now I really don't know what this baby is. Now seems like a small box, might be a bomb or something. Well, really don't know. It might be anything, a cell phone, mostly probably a cell phone, maybe not. Let's see, any gadget or something. Just open it quickly and see what this baby has to offer. Okay, using my regular knife, my yellow, using it quite a while, and just quickly just see what's inside this box. Might not hurt the camera, might not just wobble the camera. Quickly, if I just open this baby and see, if I just only see what's inside this box. A mysterious box. Oh no. Okay. The first layer is the opening, and let's just see what's inside this baby. What's inside this baby? And a bubble wrap. And guys, we have a bubble wrap. And let's just quickly open this as well and see what's inside. It's definitely not a cell phone, definitely not. And the packaging is awesome, and my knife is trying hard to open this baby. Okay, the knife is used to open simpler cell phone items. But not this one. Now this is hugely wrapped. Oh no. And something just turned on. Something just turned on. Come on. Okay. Got it. Okay. So we have Civic 2018 model, guys, and from the looks of it, the finishing of this car is just awesome. The finesse is there, the looks are there. Just quickly start from the front. The daytime running lights, the grille, Civic on the number plate written, fog lamps. And the color is just wow. From the side, the right side, the awesome rims, the alloy rims are there. Let's check out. Nice looking sound. And this thing, the alarm system. Okay. Let's check out from the inside. Okay, the other door. Here's the other door. The back tire rims and some finishing. From the back, the lights of the Civic, the C lights, the perfect lights in the new model that we have in this region. Still, this is the latest version of the Civic that we are getting. Spacious trunk and speakers as well. So I tell you guys, the finishing is just awesome on this thing. Okay, let's check out from the left side. No alarm. Then the back door, as in the real one. I wish the side mirrors opened and closed, but it's not there. The driving seat, Honda logo, steering wheel, the automatic gear. The automatic gear is there as well. The black leather. The black leather. The black leather seats. The sunroof. Let's check out from the top. You have sunroof. The windscreen and the bonnet. Let's check out the bonnet. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked my video. The small mysterious box that is unboxed now. This new Civic 2018 model. Nice piece of a decoration. So guys, see you in my next video. Zubair Ahmed signing off. Do subscribe, do like my videos, guys. So see you in my next video. Salam.